A special good morning to all those who are present here. Today we will draw this diagram. Okay, so first we will understand the design. Okay, then we will go for the 3D Express. Go to 3D Express to do the design. Okay, you can see here there are three circles. One is 32 diameter, another is 62 diameter, and another is 85 diameter. And in the 32 and 62 diameter, there is attached some keyhole and some trimming operation or transformation in, operation you need to do. Okay, and it is starting from the origin. Then here in outside side it has two circle, two tangent and a corner. Then if you rotate, if you mirror that one, it will comes and the diagram will come. So without wasting time, we will go for the workbench. So as I already explained to you, we don't want a plane system. So first I need to hide the plane system, create a point, create the axis system. So for that I need a origin. That origin is coordinate is x0 y0 z0. Okay, guys, just do it. It's not responding. Till then I will explain to you. Here it is 12 radius corner and the total distance is 94 and inner outer circle radius is 14, inner circle radius is diameter is 12, all the four holes. So here coordinate is 0 0 0, insert an axis. This origin. Okay, then go to the sketch. Go to the sketch. Yes, just for recording. Create a circle. Circle diameter is 32. Another circle because we need to draw three circle. 32, 62, 85. One is 62. Third one is 85. 85. Okay. Now you can see in this picture that a middle circle is, it is not a physical line, it's a dotted line. So for that we need to make it construction. Okay, so that middle line will make construction. As you can see, the construction work has been done. Okay, then we will insert some keyhole. Okay, so how many keyholes are there? There are 6 keyholes and the total circle angle is 360. So 6 keyhole means 60 degree. If you divided into angle, it is 60 degree. 360 by 6, 60 degree. So as I had already explained to you, for that one smart work is there, that is mirror operation. So I will make two axes here. Okay, and giving diameter, sorry, giving angle, an angle 60° each. Okay. First angle and second angle, it is 60°. Okay. Then there is keyhole. So keyhole radius is yes, it is not radius, diameter is 14. So I will go for direct keyhole. Starting from this, okay. First we need to see what is this, what type of diagram it is. Okay, this diagram. Keyhole. Okay. So radius is 14. So diameter is 14. Is the diameter? Diameter is 14 and 8. This one 8. Drag this one. Zoom it. You can see this is some distance, that is 8 mm. Okay. I think no doubts up to here. Same thing we will do here. Another keyhole starting from the end point. This the radius is 14. Here it is 8. Sorry, that radius, diameter is 14. Diameter is 14. Here I did some mistake. There it is. Okay. Again, this one is 4 mm, and this one is diameter 14. Okay. If, if you want to trim. Okay. Trim. I think it is not connected here. So make constant with respect to this circle. Make constant with respect to this circle, and I think this distance it is not mentioned, so we will make it 4 mm, and from this line to this distance it is 4 mm. Okay, now you can go for selecting each of the axis and mirror with respect to this axis. Okay, same thing, mirror with respect to this axis. Mirror with respect to this axis. Okay, so I think 6 keyhole has been completed. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you can see in the picture we don't want this middle one. Yes, so I will go for trim, quick trim, double click. While doing trim, it may be create some under custom. As you can see, it is not connected here. This is not, just a second. As you can see, this point and this is not connected together. It's creating some problem. For that, we will go for this. Okay, go to three. Same thing. First connect each of the line. Make as coincident. Everything is coincident. This is not coincident. Make it coincident first. Okay. Okay. Then go to quick trim. Trim. I think the middle one we had completed. Now comes to the outer one. So here we have two circles. Okay, one diameter is 12, another radius is 14. So I will do that one first. Two circle, one diameter is 12, another uh, radius is 14. Radius is 14. Okay, but we want to make it one center point. So for that, I think you know how to do make one concentric. So from this point to horizontal axis, what is the distance? As you can see, the distance is 1, not 4. So if you will divide, if you will give the dimension distance from the center of the circle to axis, it is 1 not 4 by 2, means 52. It is 52. Okay, and from this point to vertical axis, what is the dimension? It is 94. So 94 by 2, it is 94 by 47. Oops, we did some mistake, I think so. These are diameter, 32 diameter. Okay, this is 32 diameter. I did it is, this is 62. Okay, 32. Just change it. No problem. 32. Okay, and this is diameter 85. Okay, then same thing. How many is there? One. So we know mirror operation. Just select these two circle, mirror with respect to the vertical axis or horizontal axis, any of the one. Let's do in a vertical axis. Okay, vertical axis, and mirror this 4 to horizontal axis. Okay, now we have option circle. This is bitangent line, so we have tangent, make it bitangent line. You can do in a taking manually. Okay, then we have corner operation. Corner, no trim, from here to here. What is the dimension? Radius is 12. Radius is 12. So one corner completed means we can mirror with respect to vertical axis, mirror with respect to horizontal axis. Okay, then the wanted thing you can remove. Just go for trim. I think it's complete. It's completed. So thank you all.